Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to write review on booking.com. So if you want to write review on booking.com, as you know that you'll only be able to write a review on booking.com if you have stayed on that particular reservation, or if you have made a reservation, or if you have stayed in that particular place or hotel. So otherwise you'll not be able to comment or write a review, or and neither you'll be able to read. So what you want to do is, basically, if you want to write a review, what you have to do is you can just go ahead and open up your booking.com app. Now this happens shortly after you stay. You will receive an email inviting you to review. All you need is just tap the link and go directly to the evaluation page. There you could just go ahead and type in the review. You could just be honest, and if you have any sort of photos and videos that you'd like to upload, you could also do that. And if you want to rate the particular stay, you could also do that. You could also do that by tapping on the star button, and that is how you're supposed to write a review on booking.com. And if you're not able to receive any sort of link or any sort of mail, then what you need is, all you have to do is just go to my booking. Right there you will be able to see your past reservation, your active ones, all that. And then and there you could simply select the particular reservation that you made, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and type in a review. And you could do the same procedure as I mentioned earlier: write a review, or maybe rate, or maybe upload photo. And that is how you will be able to write a review on booking.com. So with that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.